Patek Philippe 6159G-001. Main features are Patek Philippe 6159G-001 is a modern grand complication released at watches. It reinterprets the brand's classic retrograde perpetual calendar with a contemporary, technical aesthetic featuring a semi-transparent dial. Case 39.5 mm diameter and 11.49 m thickness, crafted in 18K white gold. Signature bezel features the iconic Clous de Paris hobnail pattern on both the bezel and the caseback perimeter. Dial, a smoked gray metallized sapphire crystal dial with a black gradient rim. It allows a partial view of the movement's calendar discs while maintaining legibility via faceted white gold luminescent markers. Strap black composite material with a fabric pattern and a new patented white gold triple blade fold-over clasp. Retrograde date, a central hand arcs from 8 to 4 o'clock to indicate the date, jumping instantly back to the first of the month upon completion. Perpetual calendar, apertures for the day, 9 o'clock, month, 3 o'clock, and leap year cycle, 12 o'clock. Moon phase, a monochromatic display at 6 o'clock that is accurate to within 1 day every 122 years. Power reserve, 35 to 45 hours. Dial sapphire crystal with gray metallization and black gradient rim. White gold applied faceted baton-style hour markers with white luminescent coating. White gold faceted Dauphine-style hands with white luminescent coating. Movement 26-330 SQR self-winding. Perpetual calendar with retrograde date hand. Day, month, and leap year and apertures. Moon phases. Sweep seconds. Strap composite material. Fabric pattern black. White gold patented triple blade fold-over clasp.